going to go?
We're going to Disney World.
Welcome back to Planning Disney and Universal for Beginners. Today we're going to talk about how to add friends and family to your My Disney Experience account. I remember in our last episode we talked about having to have them added on there in order to include them to link your reservation. So there's two different ways to do this. The first is via the app. When you open it up, you're going to click on the hamburger at the bottom right hand corner. You will go down under account where it says profile. From there you're going to hit family and friends list. You're going to go to the bottom. You probably won't have anything, but you might add a guest. Through Connect a Guest, if you have people, you can find them that way, or else you can enter their name and age. And if you start typing, it will come up with someone that it might think that is yours, but if not, then you can just put in their other name, their age. And then, so if nothing pops up, for example, this is just a made up person, so they don't exist. So you can create an account for them. So you will either manage the plans for them or else share planning with the guest. That means you both can. So that way you just put in their email address and then they will link it that way. But if you manage the plan for them, then they will get it themselves. So if you have any questions, let me know. Let us know what you want for the next one too. The next way that you can add friends and family is via the My Disney Experience website. You just go to mydisneyexperience.com. You can either do it when you're right on the homepage. It says friends and family, and it will show you the list, or you can add a guest, or else you can go to the top, My Disney Experience, and then go down to My Friends and Family. And then you're going to hit add a guest. You will type in their name, and you can either find them via their hotel reservation, or, so this is if they already have an account. If they don't have an account, then you put in their name and their email. If you don't, then you're going to add one that doesn't have a Disney account. So you can either manage their account for them, or else you can ask them to create an account. If you manage the profile for them, then everything you'll do for them. Mostly this is for children, or if you want to do your spouse or one of your parents, so you can help them out with it. But so if they want their own account, then you go down here in their email address, and then it will send them to it. So they can create an account, and then everything will be connected there for you. So let me know if you have any questions. Comment below with any questions you might have, and then also comment below what you want our next podcast to be about. I hope you learned a lot. Bye.